Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how do we create a virtual machine on Windows Server 2019, or you can say how do we install HyperV on Windows Server 2019. So let's understand what is HyperV exactly. HyperV is a Microsoft hardware virtualization product which lets you to create a virtual machine. And what exactly you can do on a virtual machine? You can run a complete operating system. For example, like if you are running a Windows Server 2019 and if you are looking to install Windows 10 on the same computer, so using Hyper-V, you can install your Windows 10 on your Windows Server 2019. So here you can install any kind of applications like softwares, whichever you want, you can run on Windows 10. So it's a complete isolated operating system on the same machine. You can install even multiple operating systems like Linux, Windows, and FreeBSD. So before we start learning this process of installing Hyper-V, go ahead and subscribe to iOVERTECH so that you can get the future video updates. Hello and welcome to iOVERTECH. My name is Jitendra, and in this video, as I already told you, we are going to learn how do we install Hyper-V on Microsoft Server 2019. So let's go ahead and do it.
Now let's install Hyper-V. Press the Windows R key and type Server Manager in Run. Now you can see the Server Manager. You can even open it from Manage, or you can click on Add Roles. Click on Next now. Click on Role Based or Feature Based Installation. Click on Next. Select a server, so you have to click on Default. Click on Next. Now select the Hyper-V option. Click on Add Features. It will take some time, it will be active. Now click on Next. Now click on Next again. Now click on Next again and select the Ethernet so that you can access internet. Now click on Next and check the checkbox. Click on Next now. Now click on Install. It will take some time. Now click on Close. Now you have to restart your computer in order to completely install this. Okay, so just simply restart your computer and after that you can see your Hyper-V.
So this is how you can install a Hyper-V on Windows Server 2019. Now if you want to install any operating system, you need to follow same steps which you usually follow to install any operating system. So this was it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up to the video and do share with your family and techie friends. And if you are still facing any kind of problem, write down in the comment section and I will answer your queries. If you are watching this video on YouTube, click on the notification bell and subscribe to iOVERTECH. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, follow our Facebook page so that you can get the future video updates. Thank you.